Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. It says, high performance series air compressors. Yes, and this is a new item. I guess Harbor Freight Fortress is expanding their professional quiet air compressors. So before they used to have the small one, not this one, but a smaller one. And now they have like a dolly type. So it's a carrier. It's a roll around carry, like a lightweight dolly. And then they have this one, the big one with 27 gallons. So anyways, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. And let's go ahead and get started. As you guys can see, yes, these are new. These are new at Harbor Freight. It says high performance series air compressors, high pressure technology, easy to start. Sorry guys. Easy to start, technology, low noise. So these are quiet compressors. These are quiet compressors. 5 gallon, 1.6 horsepower, oil free professional air compressor. It says 225 psi. So that's real high right there, but it's good, you know. Air delivery 5.1 SCFM at 90 psi, 25% quieter, up to 300 more air tool runtime, brushless motor. So this is brushless. $329.99. That is the price, and it does include this this dolly. I guess it's like does have like a retractable handle there, so you can use it as a dolly, or if you want to just store it, you know, put it back in storage. So this is the coupon right here. Got item number 56402. Next one we got this coupon for 27 gallon oil free professional air compressor. It's a 200 psi, 150% more runtime. Delivery 5.1 CFM and 90 psi, 50%. It's basically the same thing. It is $399.99. It's pretty competitive to other quiet compressors out there. But yeah, definitely a little nice compressor there. And it looks like they have a video here. Let's see if we just click on it real quick. We're not gonna play all of it, but we're gonna. Yeah. So they're
60 dBA, it's up to 80% quieter. Here, take a listen to the comparison.
So if you guys want to watch this, you guys could go to Harbor Freight Tools at YouTube and look for Fortress 2 gallon quiet air compressor. Anyways, yeah, you guys notice the difference. These are real quiet. Super quiet, and that's really what you want, because you don't, you know, if you're in the office, that noise is just annoying, you know, just to have that noise. Anyways, Fortress Ultra Quiet Series, 80% quieter, ×2 longer life, 50% lighter, up to 28% more runtime. It says 1 gallon, 0.5 horsepower, ultra quiet, oil free professional compressor, $129.99. These are the smaller ones, by the way. This is a 2 gallon, 1.2 horsepower, ultra quiet, oil free professional air compressor, $169.99. 4 gallon, 1.5 horsepower, high performance, oil free professional air compressor, $219.99. So this is the bigger one out of these three. It's a 1 gallon, 2 gallon, and 4 gallon. And then we have the good, the better, and the best. So yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, but Harbor Freight, it is marketing the good mostly to the DIY, and then the better DIY to moderate or light duty professional, and then they got the best, which is professional. They're targeting basically like the mechanics or the carpenters that go out there 8 hours a week, you know, 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week. So that's basically the best, what they're dividing these. Anyways, we got good here. We got this 3/8 by 50 feet retractable from Central Pneumatic, $59.99. And then you got the better Diablo. These are great, by the way. The Diablo hoses are great, especially the black ones. 3/8 by 50 feet, $94.99. And then you got the best 3/8 by 50 feet industrial grade retractable air hose, $149.99. You got the better banks, power to build times 2 times life, so times 2 life. 18 gauge brad nailer, $24.99. 21 inch or 21 degree frame nailer, $79.99. 2-in-1 flooring nailer stapler, $119. You got the best Pierce job site ready contractors 4 times life and durability. 15 inch or 15 gauge finished nailer, $79.99. 21 degree framing nailer, $149.99. You got the 15 degree coil roofing nailer, $149.99. And then you got the Earthquake XT pit cruise speed and power. So this is Earthquake, pretty much they're targeting like the professionals. And yes, I've seen I've gone through a lot of shops, mechanic shops, tire shops, and I've seen so many Harbor Freight tools, Earthquake tools, and Daytona jacks. I see a Daytona jack on almost every tire shop I go to now. Anyways, half an inch stubby, ultra lightweight, extreme torque, air impact wrench, $94.99. You got the Pro air impact wrenches. You got your choice of a long 2-inch anvil or just a short one, $129.99. And then you got the 3/4 or 3/4 composite extreme torque air impact wrench, $219.99. These are all great, by the way. It says plus save with super coupons. You got the Pierce Air 2 accessory kit, central pneumatic. You know what, guys? I would stay away from this. Harbor Freight does offer I believe the new, what is the new brand called? But yeah, those are better, a lot better than these. Those are a better brand. I would definitely go with those. You got the Rapid Pump 3-ton steel low profile. Rapid Pump 3-ton steel professional duty low profile floor jacks for $119.99. Guys, this is a real good jack here. This is not necessarily the best deal, but it is a great value for this amount. I mean, we've seen it lower than this, but still, you know, this for $120, this is like a no-brainer here. Definitely, I gotta get myself one of these. You know, I gotta save enough money to get one of those. 30 by 18, 1,000 pound hardwood dolly, $111.99. 20-ton shop press, $144.99. 10-inch 15-amp industrial benchtop table saw, $114.99. You got the 44 by 22 double bank extra deep cabinets, $49.99. You got the pneumatic adjustable roller seat, $19.99. Heard these are, you know, this break here from the base there. 1-ton capacity full shop crane, $149.99. 10-inch bar pole saw, $144.99. 2-piece titanium high-speed step bits, $13.99. You get the Omni Pro 220 industrial multi-purpose welder, $879.99. Got the 4-in-1 portable power pack, $59.99. You got the 4,000 max starting gas-powered generator, 10-hour runtime, $299.99. Alright, guys, that was my quick video for this email. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.